This is the Motorola Razr 2022, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest way to do that is by swiping downwards from the status bar, then touch and hold at the internet shortcut over here. After that, choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to, then tap on it. At the following network details page, click on the share icon, and as you can see, the Wi-Fi password gets revealed right over here, as well as the QR code that you can use, therefore, or thus scan, in order to connect to the chosen Wi-Fi network automatically. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.